Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I get to walk you through this 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. So this comes at 21 feet with an 8.6 beam. This has the full Sea Ray blue hull side and hull bottom, and does come with the optional tower. And that tower does fold down if needed to be put into a garage or a lift or anything. One of my favorite boats, very versatile, can fit a lot of people, can be stored in a garage if need be, trailered around at different lakes. This particular one, we put the Merc 4.5 250 horsepower engine with the stainless steel prop, so plenty of power for all the water sports you're going to need. Got the nice swim platform with the sea decking. Why don't you join me aboard and take a look at the rest. All right, welcome aboard this Sea Ray SPX 210. As you can see here in the back, we've got nice swim platform with a drop down that goes into the water. You got a nice place here to suntan, and then with the 210 you do have a nice walk through with the sea decking. Storage all over the place. Got nice wraparound seating. Got storage underneath there. Then we also have the tower up on top with the bimini attached. As we come into the boat, we have the co-captain's chair that does go forward and back. We've got the captain's chair here with a bolster, and then the standard Simrad here at the helm, Fusion stereo. This one does have some accent and courtesy lighting. We've got some storage there, speakers, nice big bow in this 21 footer. So this 21 does have an 8.6 beam on it. So nice big 12-person boat. Love this boat, one of my favorites. Come on down to MarineMax in Rogers to get a closer look.